Hello, today I'm gonna show you a problem faced a lot of people when we are trying to open Power BI desktop not connected to the server. After we open our Visita dashboard that's connected to the server, we face this problem. The Power BI desktop asking us to put our mail to sign in. So if we are offline, how to remove this confusing message or sign? Let's wait until it's open. Yes, that's the message. So how to solve it? Today I'm gonna show you how to solve it. Try to cancel it. So we'll try to open, try to cancel it until it is disappear, and then choose file, option and settings, and options, and preview features. Scroll down and we're gonna find translytical task flow and Axe user defined functions. We are gonna to uncheck both of them. So okay and okay. Close it and open it again. The Visita dashboard. Right now it will open. Yes. Right now you can use your dashboard, anything in it, without asking for sign in. The message confusing is disappeared and you can use Power BI desktop already. Thank you for watching me. Have a great day. Happy New Year.